Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the BANGSON and the Elevon. In this video, we'll explore their features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. Both machines are designed for compact living spaces like apartments and RVs, making laundry more convenient. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to capacity, the BANGSON offers a total of 17.6 pounds, which includes an 11 pounds washer and a 6.6 pounds spinner. In contrast, the Elevon boasts a larger capacity of 28 pounds, with an 18 pounds washer and a 10 pounds spinner. This means the Elevon can handle larger loads, making it a better option for bigger families or those who do laundry less frequently. In terms of operation, the BANGSON uses a simple push-button interface, which is user-friendly and straightforward. On the other hand, the Elevon features knob controls that allow for precise adjustments of wash and spin times. Both designs are intuitive, but your preference may depend on whether you favor buttons or knobs. When it comes to additional features, the BANGSON offers basic functionality without any frills. However, the Elevon stands out with a clear window for monitoring your laundry and a built-in drain pump for easier water disposal. These features can enhance the overall user experience and convenience. In conclusion, both the BANGSON and Elevon portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize capacity and additional features, the Elevon may be the better choice. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the BANGSON still offers great functionality for smaller loads. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.